a seal.
And what's your name, Mrs. Seal?
Ertle.
Ertle?
Ertle.
And what do you like to do, Ertle?
I like to swim and catch fish with my big tongue.
And why do you do a lot?
It's my native call.
And
My native
oh
call.
fuck! Everyone's coming. Have to go back. Did you come to it?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna meet Mr. Fishy. Okay.
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 Ertle. Ertle.
Okay. Okay.
Mr. Fish is on set now.
Blub. Blub.
What's your name, Mr. Fishy?
Blub.
Blub.
Blub. Blub. Blub.
What's your native call? What do you have to do for fun?
Chew gum.
Don't you mean swim?
No.
Did you gum? Can I have a piece of gum?
Oh, I forgot to tell you.
Okay, next is Mr. Donkey.
Mr. Donkey.
What's on Mr. Donkey?
Oh my god. Okay, what's your native call? Okay, what's your name? What's your name?
Edward.
Okay, wow, Edward's nice. What do you like to do for fun, Edward?
Gallop.
Okay, next person.
Wanna see me gallop?
Okay.
Gallop.
Don't fall. Okay.
Beluga whale. Next up is a beluga whale. Very large and lives in the ocean. Mr. Beluga whale?
I have two eyes on the side of my